Hello there, glad to meet you. I am Rajagopal Tampi. This video explains a core AI related software engineering process which I have named Phase End Model Synchronization, or in short, PEMS. It draws from my book Applied Human Centric AI, chapters 8 and 10. You will find the links for my book at the end of this video. The phase-end model synchronization process is designed to eliminate data and code synchronization problems in AI development. In this video, when I talk of AI development, it includes ML development also. If your processes or tools do not support the PEMS process, which I am about to describe, then your AI ML development processes are inadequate. Without software engineering being integrated tightly into the AI development processes, the AI deliverables will not be bug-free. Now let's come to the phases in an AI ML project. Let us first cover the phases that exist in a AI development project which is built in conformance with software engineering practices. These phases are shown in the slide. There are three parallel tracks for most part of the development cycle. They are the code track shown in gold, AI track shown in green, and the data track shown in blue. The AI track in green is extremely important, where the bulk of the anticipatory bug search and analysis work is performed. This results in the automatic elimination of a substantial percentage of bugs in an AI system well before the build phase. These bugs could otherwise be discovered much later, even in the production phase. There could be many iterations of the phases, as we all know. Coming to the PEMS process itself, please note that all changes should be recorded and authorized using a change request form. So what is the PEMS process? The PEMS process involves replicating the changes made to the training data set in the validation and testing data sets also. If the data changes made require code changes, then such code changes will be made in the model build server code. Conversely, if code changes are made during any of the three phases, that is model training and evaluation, testing and system integration testing phases in the model build server, which require data or data structures to be modified or changed to function correctly, then such data changes will also be made across training, validation, and testing data sets. Of special mention are changes in schema. If a schema changes, the code necessarily will also change. If data changes for any reason have the effect of impacting the existing schemas, then the schemas will change, and in this case, it involves both data and code changes. The PEMS flowchart is shown in the slide. This is the data track. As you can see, when the change request form is approved, the data is changed, and if the code is changed, then code changes are, if the code is not changed, code changes are not made. If the code is changed, then perform the code change, and the changes are recorded in the AIDP tracker and other documents. This is the path where the code is changed. With an approved CRF, the code is changed, so the data is also checked whether it requires any changes. Perform data changes if it is required. If not, just skip that step and record your changes in the respective documentations. The record of such data changes must also be made in the relevant technical documentation, that is the AIDP tracker, AED, DPD, and DED. For details of these documents, kindly refer to my book. You can also download Excel templates of these documents from my website. When is the PEMS process required to be carried out? The PEMS process is required at the following points in time or at the following milestones: at the end of the model training and evaluation phase, at the end of the testing phase, at the end of the system integration testing phase, during development changes or bug fixing iterations, and at the end of beta testing phase, if any. The project manager is required to verify that the PEMS process has been completed and provide a certificate to that effect at the end of the above mentioned 3 project phases in each iteration. Conclusion: the PEMS process will ensure that the data and data-related changes are synchronized across all project data sets at all times. It will also ensure that the necessary code changes are completed and that these changes are faithfully replicated across all AI environments. The latter part is ensured by the deployment package processes initiated from the model build server into testing and production servers as explained in my book. These processes result in the AI model and data being synchronized across all environments at all times, leading to human-centric and bug-free code. Please note that the Excel templates in the appendices that are used in my book are available for open download from my website, URL listed in the next slide. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.